I'm Alex Ida. I'm one of the instructors at the Whitehall Regional Emerging Technology Lab Center.
I'm Kristoff, Ausderau. I'm also one of the instructors at the Whitehall Regional Emerging Technology Lab.
Hourly, we probably have close to 60 students, high school and middle school combined, and it's really taking multiple classes. Middle school is concentrated more on one class, where high school we have multiple classes going on at the same time throughout the day.
Students range from the 4-school co-op. Most of the students are from Whitehall, but we do have students from Arcadia, Blair Taylor, and Independence. We've really become more of managers or facilitators than actual teachers. We still do a lot of direct instruction, like individually as students need it, but there's a lot of self-paced curriculum over here where students will learn a different machine, kind of follow a self-paced teaching guide, and then come to us with questions or trouble spots, so we kind of fit ourselves in where needed.
And we kind of leverage our students to help each other out in the meantime while they're waiting for us, because with multiple classes going on at the same time, there's a lot of different questions and a lot of students needing different help with other things. So it's kind of nice to see those kids take that role as problem solving and kind of helping those that need the help.
It's really more of a lab setting than your traditional classroom setting. Kids are coming in, they get to working lots of different projects. We maybe have 6, 7 different classes going on at the same time. It was important to build this building. We were running out of space in our other traditional classrooms. Mr. Ida was in a mobile skills lab, which had 3D printers, trainers, robotic arm. I was in more of a traditional classroom, but had a couple different robotics fields in there. Again, robotic arm, couple 3D printers, lots of electronics. So one, we just needed a lot more space, and this allowed us also to work collaboratively with each other in offering more of a variety of classes to our students.
And then having a permanent spot too allows us to do more complex projects and bring in new equipment that students wouldn't see otherwise, that we couldn't fit in a classroom. So that's been a really nice feature of having this larger facility. I think having the new space and the way we've structured our classes by kind of taking down some of the artificial boundaries for classes and when they're offered has been a huge success for us, allowing us to have multiple classes going on at the same time. So students are seeing a different class even if they're signed up for another one that they didn't even know was related. So that allows us to build more interest and kids can see what's available. It also allows kids to, based on their schedule, come in and take a class whenever they'd like, and having students from multiple schools coming in. It's been really awesome. That's probably been my favorite part, is the co-op, having kids come in and seeing how kids in Whitehall, Blair, Independence, and Arcadia all work together.
I think another really positive thing is kids have been able to do a lot of individual projects. So they've maybe taken 1 or 2 classes over here. Now they start to combine their different skills and really start to put those skills to use in a passion that they have, or a personal project they might have, or working with other community members for producing a project that they might need done.
We are in the computer lab. We have 15 high-powered computers with dual monitors. Students in this setting, this is where they do all their 3D modeling using SolidWorks CAD software. So they create 3D models, and then we pair that with the 3D printers behind us. We are up to 22 3D printers. They all have their place. Most of them are for rapid prototyping. We have some others that allow us to print in carbon fiber. We have a resin printer, which is just a new way of printing using a resin or a liquid. Each one is set up to allow us to do different things, which allows different learning opportunities for students. Students also use these computers for computer programming, computer science classes, using Adobe Illustrator and the Adobe Suite. So these get pretty much used all the time, and then if there's any open, students also use them for just working on their normal schoolwork using the tool monitor. It's nice to have. This is the flight simulator that students middle school and high school have access to. This was donated through students in aviation. This is probably the newest piece of equipment that we have in here. So right now we're trying to figure out a way to get this an opportunity within our classrooms for students to get on this to try it out.
This is our middle school and elementary robotics area. We have an after-school program for VexIQ. Plus our middle school also builds VexIQ robots during the school year. High school kids will use this field to practice, and then we also have high schoolers just building like non-competition robots during the day as well. Learning to program them, learning to use sensors like a distance sensor, bump sensor, vision sensor, just getting familiar with like how sensors apply data and what kind of data they send back and forth to like a computer or brain, and then how we process that information. So this is a program that a student has done to simulate delivering medicine in a hospital. So it goes to the pharmacy, picks up the medicine, and then it'll deliver it to a room and like simulate dropping it off. So this is our drone area where our high schoolers will work on building drones. They build them from a kit, often similar to like a Lego kit. They have a set of instructions. So they kind of build that base drone, get it up and flying, and right now they're working on a challenge where they're going to have to add some type of physical device to help them knock golf balls off a couple poles. So that's where they start to get into like kind of some of their own design. See, this one has a pretty big design on it. Some of them are a little bit smaller, but they take and they have to tune these and then fly them around in the cage to knock off a couple of golf balls. So that's kind of what they're working on today.
This is more like just a bigger demonstration of self-driving cars using different sensors. We're trying to now figure out how we can get in and manipulate some of the stuff versus just having it run and then just observing it. We're trying to figure out how to get in some of the AI or machine learning of how it's operating right now. This is the Industry 4.0 section of the lab, so it's a lot of industrial robotics. We've got AC/DC trainers, ladder logic, programmable PLCs, hydraulics, pneumatics. This is really kind of like the mechatronics is the title of the area, and industrial robotics, where it's combining all the basic things necessary for automation. Behind us here we've got CNC machines. We've also got CNC simulators, so students are able to use the simulators to test their parts before actually putting them on the machine. So that way, if we do have any issues, we can catch that in the simulator before the actual real machine would have any issues. Here we got our CNC plasma cutter, where we cut students design their part or project in the lab on different software like Adobe Illustrator. And then they bring their design over here and cut it out on metal. We also have the CNC wood router, which is right next door, where students can also take those same designs and cut them out in wood. That is one of our projects we try to do because they are related. The CNC plasma cutter, CNC wood router, and actually our laser engraver. We have them do the same project for each tool, just to see how the machines are related, because it's just your basic XYZ planes, along with our 3D printers are essentially the same thing too. But just trying to bridge that connection for students to see. And there's always different applications for doing something in wood versus metal versus cardboard. So that's what we have over here. Over here we have our laser engraver. This is where students, it's kind of one of the first machines we start them on because it is so versatile and easy to use. Students design a project in Adobe Illustrator or Google Draw. We bring it over here and then we cut it out in cardboard. Once that is all set and they're happy with their result, then we try and do it on wood, and then we also cut it out on wood. And then students are also able to go to the next level by putting the rotary tool in, and they can engrave things on their water bottles. So students have also used leather, we've engraved in glass. This is just a really nice piece of equipment that allows them to express their designs in multiple different ways. And that concludes a tour of the Whitehall Regional Emerging Technology Lab. Thanks for coming.